Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to studio for the last commercial this video because it's amazing. Bro, look at that. This is my Asus ROG Strix G gaming laptop, but I have not a SD card port. Sometimes I want to put my SD card inside, but it's not possible. Bro, look at that. This is 128 gigabyte. Bro, what is this? This is why I decided today to do something special. Ha ha ha. Guys, we need to see this. Boom. What is this? Look at that. I have something special here. USB cable for 4G, 5G. What is this? Micro 5. I don't know what is this. But you can see here SD card. Can you see this? You can see 5 and 1. And it's back. What is this? What is inside? No problem. I'm here to make the unboxing, to open this sachets. But how to do it? Oh, it's closed. This down. So what can I do? Bro, I need to do something. I need to do something to remove this thing, bro. Nice. Great. Okay. Nice. I think that now I'm okay. I can start by. Oh, what is this? It's book. And what is inside? Look at that. Damn! Can you see this? Damn! Look at that! Look at that, bro! Jesus Christ! Android is here. Can you see this? Can you see this, my friend? This is Ning HD. You can, as you can see, this is also for Android. You can see this port is for Android, and this port here is for PC. You can see Type C. Wow. You can see TF. And when you turn, woo, boom, there's something here. There's something amazing in front of you. Can you imagine? Jesus Christ, how is possible? What a good idea. Okay, let's remove this. And what? Look at that. This is really USB Type C. Okay, what about this? Ooh! Now it remove it. Okay, I have both of them. Great. Now, what can you do? Nice. What you need to do? Oh, damn! What a good idea! Transformation. Just like that, and you can connect this to your old USB. I think that what is this old USB for old phone? Yes. Wow. What a good idea. And you can close it like that. Wow. This is just crazy. Wow. I want to test this. I want you to tell me right now. So I have SD card. Nice. Want to take this SD card and put this inside. What? It's done. Look at that. It's done. This is just crazy. Okay. I think that you can also put a USB. Woo! Can you imagine? Can you imagine, bro? Can you imagine, bro? This is just crazy. You can even do it. Oh, damn. This is not magic. This is just crazy. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Jesus Christ. How is possible? How is possible to do such a thing? Okay, no problem. No problem. First of all, let's test the SD card. Now, you need a phone. I have my phone. My Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with its new Android 14 RAM. And it's beautiful. Very, very nice. Now, what can I do? What I need to do right now? Oh, this is a beautiful girl. I love her. Oh, I love her. I want to marry her. But you need so much money for her because this is expensive girl. Okay, no problem. God is good. I have a time. Now, let's go on my file. Welcome on my files. Oh, another beautiful girl. Hello. Look at this girl. Beautiful. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, now I can see no SD card inserted. This is why you see there are not applications like that. This is because this SD card is here. Okay, cool. Now you do this. After this, what can you do? You have USB Type-C here. So I want to connect this to my phone using USB Type-C. Can you do this? Nice. Now connect this to this USB Type-C, just like that. And what happened after? What? Boom! Guys, what is this? Is it real? Damn! And it's a pure. Wow! Wow! You can access to your phone. Damn! You access to your SD card. It's definitely not a joke. Damn. Wow. Wow. All of my files appear here just like that. Music. I can even play music. Let's try. Damn. This is crazy. All of my music appear here. Go back. I have movie. I have some videos. Skype. Open this. Can you see it, bro? I can even play my videos. Let's see how it's fast or something. Oh, good. You can zoom, do what such a thing. Damn. This thing is very useful when your phone can't use SD card. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Pick wallpaper. Open the first one. Wow. It's so fast. Another one. Nice. So great. Beautiful car. Can you do it? Nice. So his work. Seriously, it work. Ay. How is possible, bro? How is possible? How is possible, my friend? I'm so shocked. I'm so shocked. Okay, no problem. Now, let's test the USB key. Now, as you can see, you have SD card here. Now, look at his name. It's USB storage. No problem. Put this here. And let's see. What? No SD card, no ports, nothing. Don't know what happened. Okay, remove. Put this everywhere inside. Let's connect both to see. And what? Nothing appear. Nothing appear. I don't know why. Maybe I need to disconnect one of them. Okay, remove first this SD card. No. Let's connect this. Oh, is it pure now? Wow. But you need to use one of them. This is what I think. Because when you connect both, just like that. Just like that. It's not connected. We have a problem. Don't know if we have a problem. Nothing. Okay. Now disconnect this and put this here. Let's see. Wow. Connected very quick. Wow. Nice. Okay. Now let's try to connect this thing to my PC and see how it works and what speed I have. So let me connect this to my computer. It's connected. As you can see, it's connected. Now usually connected is here. Can you see this? Now let's see. And is here. Can you see this? No. I think that it's here. Yeah, it's here. Yes, it's here. Can you see this? Now, I want to know the speed of this thing because this is USB 2.0. So, I want to know its speed. For that, I need application called ROG system test. We have ROG system test. You need to change this and choose 4K Ultra. And here you have target disk. Select what you want. For example, this is what I want to. First of all, let me disconnect this USB because sometimes it's make errors. So close it. Home page. Now I have only this. You can see SD card, SD, and okay, great. Connect it now. Go back again to the target. SD, launch this thing. Look at what I have here. You have write speed. Wow. It's definitely not fast. It's definitely not fast. Write speed sometimes is slow. What? Read speed and write speed is the same thing. But this SD card is 106 megabytes per second. But look at what I have here. This means that this USB is definitely slow. Very slow. But you have now a possibility to have access to your SD card, edit something, a lot of things. This is why I decided to buy this, and also because this thing is not expensive. So I want to enjoy something new feature, and okay, this is cool. Okay, cool. As you can see, this is his speed, and now, wow, this is just crazy. Okay, tell me what you think about this because this is definitely crazy. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video.